Do you want to sculpt amazing creatures, characters, props, environments, but don't know where to start? If that is the case, then I welcome you to Next's Complete Guide to ZBrush 2022. My name is Abraham Leal. I have 11 years of experience in the 3D industry, and I've been teaching for the past 7 years. I also manage my own indie studio here in Mexico, and I will be your instructor throughout this course. In this course, we will be covering all of the most important aspects inside of ZBrush. I will be showing you different ways in which you can start your projects and bring to life all of the amazing things that live inside your imagination. Throughout this course, we will be learning about the principles of sculpting, Dynamesh, Z-spheres, hard surface tool, polypaint, rendering, and much more. This course is divided into 10 chapters. Each chapter will develop one project that will teach you specific tools about the pipeline. At the end of all of these courses, you will be able to create anything that you can imagine for this industry. I have designed this course for beginner-level students who want to start their career inside of the ZBrush software, and the only thing you need is to have a pen tablet to work with. It's going to be very important. Make sure to have ZBrush 2022 as well in the latest update, and you'll be ready to go. Join me and start creating amazing sculptures with ZBrush 2022.